The world has paused. A global intake of breath. But green shoots are emerging. And when the time comes, we'll be ready. Ready to welcome you back to live events. Are you ready to stand together again? Face to face in a safe environment and at a safe distance. To be inspired again. To engage. To reconnect over coffee rather than conference calls. Building new relationships and replacing lost revenues. Growing your business. It'll be a time to hear vital insights from trailblazers, reconnecting with customers, and saying hello to old business friends. We're going to show you a world of cutting-edge new products and services and reveal groundbreaking innovation. It'll be time for a global reunion. Soon. Know that we are here for you, and when the time is right, Live is coming back, Inspired is coming back, and at DMG Events, we can't wait to welcome you back to live events. Together in business that matters. See our schedule at dmgevents.com.